So I locked in the hubs approximately, I don't know, 3 minutes ago. And yeah, water crossing gone wrong already. Car won't start, so that's good fun. Literally got water coming out of my car, flooded. It's pretty sweet. I've got my amplifier down the bottom there, so that's drenched. So that's good. Pretty sure everything in the back should be okay, who knows. By the way, I had to jump out. My boots are drenched, pants are drenched, socks are drenched. Thankfully I brought some tools with me, so I've got tools out, and we've almost definitely hydro-locked the engine, which is a pain in the ass. But mechanic mate says that it's pretty likely that you haven't bent one of your rods, which means we might be able to remove the spark plugs, crank the engine over, and force the water out as the cylinders go up and down, as the pistons go up and down the cylinder. So yeah, we'll find out.
3, 2, 1.
There it is. Petrol and soot and just gunk into my eyeball. It's burning. All right, motor's back together. Hopefully she starts. Yeah, reason why she won't start. Wow, the reason we think she won't. Yeah, not too hard. Say it again.
God said third time it would go.
Third time it would go. And she's going. I mean, with a bit of gas, but yeah.
Oh, that's really
nice. She worked. Just like that, we crossed the river with a bit of a scare, but we made it. Jeez.
Here's old mate Nath driving in the snow. Look out.